Good day, MarineMax Vacation people. Captain David here on the 54. We're going to be going through cleaning strainers out in case you have a generator overheat, if you have a lack of flow because of seaweed. So located in the starboard engine compartment behind the engine, we will first turn off the ball valve so we don't have water coming into the boat, and then after that is closed, we will go over to our strainer, loosen the top, which will require a wrench, which is provided on the vessel in a small toolkit. Then we can take out the strainer basket that might have our debris inside of it and clean out anything that is lodged in there. Once that is all accomplished, we can put everything back together and open up our ball valve and see the water fill back up into our strainer basket. Here on the 54, behind the engine, we will close our ball valve. I'm going to proceed to the strainer with my wrench, and on the very top I will be able to attach my wrench to the cap, loosen it up. You will have possibly some water that comes back out of our strainer. The strainer is also a clear glass, so you might see whatever is clogged in. And in this scenario, we have some seagrass. Inside of our strainer, I've knocked it out. Putting my strainer basket back in, making sure that it's seated properly. Sometimes it might require me to stick my finger into the hole just to verify. The other trick that we can do is slightly open the ball valve up with one hand and see a little water is coming through, so I have good flow, and I will put my cap back on with a little water flow so that it helps bleed any air pocket that might be induced in. Now I am tightening my cap back to the strainer. Now as I back up to my ball valve, I will fully open my ball valve back up. So now as I back up and open up my ball valve, I have good water flow, my strainer is cleared of any debris, and we can go and start our generator back up.